be starting with is actually from my own brand, Dream Flower label. This is the Cottage Rose skirt. This collection is inspired by Princess Aurora. I wanted to create something that she would wear when she was still Briar Rose in her little cottage. That's why I used the little dainty floral patterns, the pink bows, and the lace with the ribbon accents. This collection is the Once Upon a Dream collection, and it will be launching in October. You can follow on Dream Flower Label on Instagram and TikTok, and dreamflowerlabel.com. This is actually my favorite detail. I love the little bow. I added the bow zippers to the Briar Rose dress as well as the Cottage Rose corset, and you can see photos of me wearing them on my Instagram at Cotton Dolly, as well as videos on TikTok, Cotton Dolly Row. You can wear these pieces together or separately, and I think they'll work well with any season, and I'm so excited to dress them up for fall. I think Aurora would wear this in her woodland cottage. I love the vintage floral pattern here, and it's all 100% cotton. This dress has the cutest lace and bow details, a deep basque waist with boning, and a corset back, as well as, I think one of the cutest elements, a big bow that is removable at the back. You can see these cute little bows going down the split hem, and there's also a little ruffle hem at the bottom. Here is the corset back and the removable bow. Here I am wearing this beautiful dress in a rose garden. I think it would be perfect for a garden party or even for a fall day. It's so easy to dress up. It has a really beautiful floral pattern, so it'll go perfectly with cardigans, tights, berets if you want to wear it for fall. And I added this cute lining of tulle as well as cotton, so it's comfortable on the skin, but it still gives you some volume for twirling. The bow at the back is removable. There's a little clip, so you can undo it if you'd like. And once again, there's that zipper detail that's shaped like a bow, just like the other corset. This next dress is from Lacemade, and I am so in love with the pattern. It's so vintage and beautiful. It can be worn in summer or fall, and I can't wait to dress this up for fall as well. I am obsessed with all the lace detailing, and it's just so comfortable and all cotton, which I love. If you do want to shop from Lacemade, you can use the code CottonDolly to get 15% off of your order. I do get a little commission every time you use my code, so I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me. It really means. Here's a photo of me and the model wearing the same dress from Lacemade. I am wearing a size extra small, and I think this does run true to size. If you do have a larger bust in Lacemade, I do recommend sizing up. This dress also has the adjustable corset at the front, which is really great for adjusting size. This next dress is the Flower and Poetry corset dress. It does not have any zippers, but it's very stretchy, and I think it's so comfortable. It's one of the most comfortable dresses I own from Lacemade. If you are in between sizes, or you think Lacemade usually fits a little bit, then I think this dress would be so comfortable and perfect for you. As you can see, it has the ruching in the back, so it creates extra stretch, and there's also the stretch of the bust at the front. I love all the little ribbon and lace details, and I think the floral pattern is so vintage and so perfect for fall. I would love to know down in the comments below which dress is your favorite so far. I will make sure to link all the items down below in the description, as well as a discount code that you can use if you'd like to shop. This next dress is the pink Barbie corset dress, also from Lacemade. I adore the lace details and the bows with the little pearls and the tulle underneath. I love how form-fitting this dress is, and I think it would be perfect for any occasion. It comes with a bow that you can wear in your hair, but I also noticed that you can clip it on the back of the dress, and it adds an extra cute touch, which is what I did here. It's so adorable. I just love it so much. This next dress is from Selkie. It's the baby soft silk mini garden party dress. I'm wearing this in a size extra small. This is one of my favorite shades of pink. I love how simple it is, but how adorable it is at the same time. I think you can wear it for any season, whether you dress it up or down. I love the material, and I also paired it with the Lacemade corset that I'll show you how it's styled. I love this lace corset. I think it's so adorable. I'm also wearing it in size extra small, and I put it over this Selkie dress, and I think it really adds an extra elegant touch. This is an underbust corset from Lacemade, and you can really wear it with any outfit. Lastly, this is the Rosette Fairy Dust set from Angel Rouge. I am absolutely obsessed with all the sparkles and the sequins. It comes with a skirt that has shorts built in underneath, a little petticoat, and the top has a corset back. Here I am wearing it. This is a size extra small to small, and it is a little bit short, but with the little petticoat underneath it can look a bit longer. I'm so excited. This is the Flowerknows Sweetie Bear collection all in box, and it is so pretty. There are 9 lip jellies in this box. This is one of them, and it is the sweetest shade of reddish pink. There are 41 items in total in this box, and I'm going to show you every single one of them. They're all so pretty. I'm in love. These are the other lip jellies. Let me know if you'd like to see a makeup look with these. Look at these hand mirrors, they're so adorable. I love the little bears. This is actually one of my favorite Flowerknows collections. I love stuffed bears so much. They're so cute, and I think it's a perfect theme for fall. Look at this miniature mirror too. It's so adorable. You could put a little charm on it and hang it on your bag if you want. This pink mirror is my favorite. And look at these little hair accessories. They have clips in the back. You can put it in your hair. I think it's going to be so cute to wear with a brown and pink styled outfit for fall. I love how it looks like little biscuits. Let's open up the box now. There are 2 compartments to keep your makeup in. This is the 4-color concealer palette. There's 2 of them, and I'm going to show you them now. They're so beautiful, and I can't wait to use them soon. There's also 2 makeup brushes that come with this set, a pink and a brown. Here's the pink brush. I use this all the time for blush. I love it so much. You could use it for powders and blushes. And here's the brown. I think it's so soft and really easy to use for blending your makeup. There are 3 dual-ended brow gel and pencils in this kit. They're perfect for doing your brows with. One end is the pencil and the other end is the gel. I'll show you the gel end now. Here. These are the setting powder charms. There's 2 of them. It comes with a little charm clip that you can add to the powder that has a little bear and a bow on it, which I think is so adorable. I think this is perfect if you want to go out and keep this in your bag or your wallet, and you can just clip it easily and take it out with you. Here's what it looks like inside. There's a little puff so you can apply the powder on easily. And here is the second powder. It's brown and it's so adorable. It's also a setting powder. It comes with another charm with a brown bow and the bear again. You can clip this one easily as well. Now I'm going to show you the silk satin blushes. There's 5 of them. This is the first one. Look at the adorable bear pattern inside. They're honestly way too pretty to use, even though I will be using them. I almost don't want to because they're so adorable. Here are the pink and brown blushes. You can see that they all have the same pattern inside. This one's one of my favorite shades. I think it's perfect for a cold girl look for winter time. This next shade I think is really perfect for autumn. It's more of a cool mauve tone, which is really nice. And here are the other 2. You can purchase any of these blushes or any of these items on their own as well outside of the gift box on Flowerknows, and you can use code CottonDolly to save yourself 5% off if you do end up shopping. Let me know which item or blush is your favorite so far, and if there's any pieces that you would personally like to add to your own collection. Lastly, we have the 6-color makeup palettes. There's 3 of them. There's the pink, the blue, and the green one. They look like little houses, which I think is so adorable. Look at that. Look at the little designs on each palette. That pink one is my favorite. These ones are the neutrals, which are really perfect to use every day for makeup looks. And here's the green one. Here's the blue one. They're so cute. These colors are so cute. I've never used blue eyeshadow before, so that might be fun to give it a try. Maybe for a winter look, that could be perfect. This one is my favorite. I think these colors are the ones I would use the most. And here are all the blushes together again. These are so cute. And that was the Sweetie Bear collection. Let me know what your favorite was. And here are the little details of the house outside.